Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best LED light mounting bracket is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components when setting up your lighting system, whether for automotive, industrial, or even home applications. This seemingly simple piece of hardware plays a crucial role in ensuring your lights are securely positioned, optimally angled, and protected from vibrations and the elements, ultimately impacting both their performance and longevity. Without a robust and well-designed mounting bracket, even the most advanced LED lights can fall short of their potential, leading to poor visibility, potential damage, and a less-than-satisfactory user experience. Number 5. Nilight 90020B LED Light Mounting Bracket Kit. This bracket is constructed from strong aluminum alloy, ensuring a firm hold for your light bar. It effectively raises the light bar height, preventing scratches during your drive. Equipped with high-quality rubber inserts, it dampens driving vibrations and protects your bull bar surface from scrapes. This simplifies mounting your LED light bars to various vehicle parts. Designed to fit tubes of various diameters, including 1 to 1.2, 1 to 3/4, and 2 inches. It's suitable for LED light bars on almost all types of ATVs, UTVs, and trucks. Featuring pre-drilled holes, you can easily add more lights without any drilling. An Allen hex key is included for a quick and straightforward installation process. Each package contains 2 LED light bar mounting brackets. You'll have everything you need to get your lights securely mounted. We stand by the quality of our product. This mounting bracket kit comes with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This bracket offers robust construction with its strong aluminum alloy, ensuring your lights stay put. The included rubber inserts are a thoughtful addition, dampening vibrations and protecting your vehicle's finish. If you're looking for a versatile solution that fits a wide range of tube sizes and prioritizes a secure, scratch-free mounting experience, this is an excellent choice for your off-road adventures. What people say. The build quality is excellent. The metal brackets feel sturdy and durable, and they hold the light securely in place even on rough terrain. Installation was super easy. The clamp-style design fits nicely around the horizontal bar, and the included rubber inserts made it easy to get a snug, scratch-free fit on different tube sizes. No drilling or modifications needed, just clamp, tighten, and go. These brackets snugly grips the bars and my lights don't shake at all. Additionally, it also provides vibration damping from the rubber inserts. Number 4. Nilight 90020D LED Light Bar Mounting Bracket Kit. Crafted from strong aluminum alloy, this bracket securely holds your light bar. It also raises the light bar's height, preventing scratches during your drives. Equipped with high-quality rubber inserts, it effectively dampens driving vibrations. This protects your bull bar surface from scratches. Designed for versatility, it fits tube diameters of 1 to 1.2, 1 to 3/4, and 2 inches. This makes it suitable for almost any vehicle needing an LED light bar. Installation is a breeze thanks to the pre-drilled holes, allowing you to add lights without further drilling. An Allen hex key is included for a quick setup. Each package contains 4 LED light bar mounting brackets. You'll have everything you need to get your lights mounted securely. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty on this product. We stand by the quality and durability of our mounting brackets. What we like. Get more value with this 4-pack of sturdy aluminum alloy brackets. They provide a firm hold for your lights and come with rubber inserts to minimize vibration and prevent scratches. If you need to outfit multiple vehicles or add more lights to one, and appreciate the combination of durability and protective features, this multi-pack is a practical and cost-effective option. What people say. Built very sturdy. It's very solid and works very well. These appear to be quality machined metal brackets with various thicknesses of rubber spacers. Number 3. iJDMTOY Universal LED Light Bar Mounting Brackets. Introducing a 2-pack set of universal fit side mounting brackets. These are crafted from solid stainless steel with a durable black powder coating for superior strength. Unlike aluminum options, these brackets offer a much stronger alternative. They are designed to withstand the elements and provide reliable support for your LED light bar. These brackets are compatible with most single or double row LED light bars available on the market. They work perfectly with both straight and curved light bars up to 52 inches. Achieve the perfect lighting angle with 360-degree rotation. You can easily adjust the position of your LED light bar to face up or down as needed. Featuring M8, 5/16 holes, these brackets accommodate a wider range of LED light bars, from those using M6 to M8 screws. This ensures a secure fit for various sizes and brands. These versatile brackets are suitable for use with many popular LED light bar brands, ensuring you can upgrade your lighting setup with confidence. What we like. Built with durable stainless steel, this bracket offers superior strength compared to aluminum. Its 360-degree rotation allows for precise aiming of your light bar, and the larger M8 screw holes ensure compatibility with a wider range of light bars. If you prioritize maximum adjustability and a heavy-duty build for your LED light bar, this is the bracket for you. What people say. Super sturdy and fit amazing. The finish was very nice. Plus it had quality hardware. Identical to the mounts that came with my rigid light bar. Very good. Had a rigid bracket that got bent from a tree, ordered this and only replaced the bent side, that's how good of a match it was. Number 2. Nilight 18W 4-inch LED light bars. Experience a bright flood beam with a wide-angle view, allowing you to see clearly to the left and right. These lights are designed to enhance your visibility in any condition. The strong aluminum alloy bracket fixes the light firmly onto your vehicle's tube. Its pre-drilled hole design allows for easy addition of more lights without damaging your vehicle. High-quality rubber inserts are included to dampen vibrations during off-roading. This also protects your bull bar from scratches, ensuring a secure and safe ride. Our superior quality wires offer excellent electrical conductivity. They are resistant to high temperatures and melting, with outstanding bending performance for long-lasting use. This package includes two 18W LED light bars, 2 mounting bracket kits, and 1 wiring harness. Everything you need to upgrade your vehicle's lighting is right here. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year warranty. We stand by the quality and durability of our product. What we like. This option is unique as it not only includes a sturdy mounting bracket but also comes bundled with a flood beam LED light and a wiring harness. The flood beam provides excellent wide-angle illumination, perfect for seeing your surroundings clearly. If you're looking for a complete, all-in-one lighting solution for your off-road needs and want to simplify the installation process, this kit is an ideal pick. What people say. It came out very nice and bright. I like that it can be tilted to the direction I want it to. I can see everything behind me when backing up, really great lighting. Excellent lights, very bright. Number 1. Nilight LED Light Bar Mounting Bracket. Crafted from robust 304 stainless steel, this bracket is built to last. It offers excellent protection against corrosion and rust, ensuring durability even in harsh weather conditions. Achieve the perfect lighting angle with its free adjustability. You can easily adjust it 180 degrees up and down, and 60 degrees left and right, to precisely direct your light. Installation is a breeze with its no-drilling design. Simply clamp it onto your vehicle and tighten, thanks to the anti-slip teeth and protective rubber pad. The anti-slip features ensure a firm installation without damaging your vehicle's surface. Enjoy a secure mount that leaves no scratches behind. This versatile bracket is designed to accommodate various work lights, fog lights, and driving lights. It's compatible as long as the clamp board thickness on your vehicle is within 8 mm. Your purchase includes 2 durable stainless steel brackets and 2 hex Allen wrenches. Everything you need to get your lights mounted securely is right here. What we like. Crafted from corrosion-resistant 304 stainless steel, this bracket is built to last in harsh conditions. It offers extensive adjustability, allowing you to precisely position your lights without any drilling. If you need a durable, highly adjustable mounting solution for your work lights or fog lights, especially on trucks and SUVs, and prefer a no-fuss, clamp-on installation, this bracket is an excellent choice. What people say. They stay secure with no loosening. Has minimal vibration. It held up through rain with no rust or damage. Has solid weight and looks nice with nice shiny chrome. The brackets are made from strong, durable metal with a nice powder-coated finish that resists rust and corrosion. Installation was simple, everything lined up perfectly with the factory holes on my vehicle, and no drilling was needed. Once mounted, the brackets held the lights firmly in place, even during bumpy rides and harsh weather. They look good and they hold the lights very sturdily. Super easy to put on after you figure it out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.